morning once again to S&A people. Today is another beautiful day today, and I'm going to explain about how you get inside the pose from the right side. So this is the right side alley docking. So we're going to explain about alley docking. This video has been sponsored with Eastern Cape people. Are you there? So don't forget to subscribe on our channel and share the videos with other people. So this is what is going to happen. Our vehicle is going to be stopping here, and we need to get inside this pose. So in order for you to get in this pose, you need to make sure that you are doing the first thing before you get inside there is called mirror blind spot. So the mirror will be on the middle here, this middle mirror, or you can use the side mirror from the left side and the side mirror from the right side, and then you do your blind spot here outside. That's mirror blind spot indicate to the right side. So after that, you're going to select your gear to the reverse and then balance your car and do full observation, right? And then for you to get inside there, you need to make sure that the method that you were used to get inside the pole is always a right method. For me, I teach people to use this pole number 2 and number 4 from the left side. Why do we say this is the right side? It's because when we are turning here, the steering is gonna be on the right side. So what you need to do now, we're gonna write numbers. This is number 1 from the right side, number 2 from the right side, number 3 from the right side, number 4 from the right side. And also we start number 1 to the left, number 2 to the left, number 3, number 4. So what are we going to do? In order for our track to be inside there, we need to make sure that we create, let me go this side, I must just make this line. We must make sure that we create this line here. Just look at it. Even it's not straight. This is what we are trying to get. Right. So, okay, I'm sure you can see now this line. So this line is exactly with the pole number 2, this line with number 4. So your shoulder is going to be in line with this number 2. That's the pole, this one here. Your shoulder must be in line with number 2 and then with number 4. So can you see this straight line? That is how exactly you are supposed to see your vehicle when you are inside. So your vehicle is here now. Your vehicle is here. This is your vehicle. It's like this. This is your vehicle here. Your vehicle, and you sitting there, and your shoulder is here in line with the pole. And then when you lock your steering to the right, this is how you locking your steering. You go like this. Locking to the right. Do you understand? You are locking your steering to the right. That means these arrows is just a way to show you which side you are locking your steering. From here, you are turning to the right side, right? Okay. So after that, you are going to lock your steering when you see 2 and 4. But before we lock the steering to the right side, you are supposed to say blind spot to the left side. Then you lock your steering to the right side. And then after, you are moving slowly but sure with your clutch control, bit by bit, until you get where, at this point where your track is starting now to be turning this side. This is your track turning to this side. So you'll be looking at this corner. This corner is where you're going to be looking at in the mirror to see what's happening with this corner. When this corner is aligned with this pole. So this is how your track is moving like now. This is the track how it's moving like. This is the track how it's moving like. There's the track how it's moving like this. Okay. So when this corner is in line with this pole, this corner of the track, let me put wheels there. This corner of the track in line with this pole, and then you're going to turn 3 times. I'm sure you can see what I'm saying. So when you turn 3 times to the left now, you are turning anti-clockwise. So you're going to the left. So the arrows are going this side. The arrows are going this side. I hope you are going to understand this early joking. So after locking your steering, the car is still in motion. The balance is very little. So this is the stages now. Once your vehicle is in line with this first pole from the left side, then it's easy for you to get inside here. It's easy for you to get inside here without any problems. So let's say your car is more to the right. You are going to turn your steering to the left, just a little bit to the left, and then bring back your steering to the straight position. So you are going inside there, right? You are going inside. This is your car. This is your car. You are inside now. So I'm gonna remove this line so that we can understand something there. I remove this line. Right. I remove this line. I remove this line. So can you see now that this car is inside of the what? Of the pause. Maybe I just need to repeat something. Like I said, the first thing to do before you get in there, you must start put mirror, blind spot, indicate to them to the right side. And then after indicating to the right side, you are going to say reverse gear, balance your car. I'm sure to those who are learning, you understand this thing of observations. And then after balancing your car, you do full observation again. And then from that position now that you'll be moving, from this position that you're moving, position number 1, here, that's the first stage. You are going to look outside. Your head is looking down here for this pole and that one to make sure it has that long line. So this is the line that is supposed to have that dotted one until it's here, right? This is the line. This is the line. So this line, it has to be straight with your shoulder, and make sure you are knowing what to do. So like I say, when your shoulder is in line with number 2 and 4, that's when you are going to turn your steering to the right side. After that, you are going to, after turning your steering to the right side, you are going to look on the left side to see this first corner. On the left side to see, because when your truck is turning to the right or your car is turning to the right, obviously you're going to look on the left mirror to see the reaction of the truck or the car on the left on the left side. So as you are moving, this is point number 2. Point number 2, locking your steering to the right side. When you see your shoulder is in line straight with number 2 and number 4. Some they call it vertical, some they call it diagonal, some they call it straight line. According to how I say it, as long as there is a straight line between 2 and 4, then you lock your steering to the right. After locking your steering, we are coming at stage number 3. Stage number 3, we are still looking at the left mirror. The left mirror. Left mirror. We are still looking at the left mirror here. We are still looking at the left mirror. And then stage number 4, it's where we can see now the corner of the truck very in line with the first with the first pole, and then you're going to turn 3 times clockwise side. 3 times clockwise side. So this is what is happening with your with your truck. After you turn 3 times, you're gonna automatically see both sides of this vehicle is gonna be inside. Both sides of the corners is gonna be inside like this. Then you are coming something like this. You understand? This is your vehicle. It's something like this now. And then when you see now it's hitting on the corner as you are identifying this side, you need to turn left. If it's hitting on the right, you need to turn left. If it's hitting on the left, you need to turn right. So the concept about this early docking is to make sure that you are guarding this back part, because before you hit with the front when you are reversing, the first part that gives problem is the back part. So whenever you are driving, you need to put more concentration at these corners of the vehicle to see what's happening at these corners in order for you to get inside nicely. So I'm sure, guys, I hope you are understanding this video. I'm going to do it again so that next time you know what to do. So when you are inside here in your parkings, this is your parkings. I'm gonna remove these things. That is not really the stage number 5. When you are inside stage number 5, you are going to repeat that half observation again to the right side. Mirror, blind spot, indicate to the right side. And gear number 1, you balance your car, you do full observation again. And before you go out there, when you are somewhere here, that's stage number 5. So forget about this one. In forward, in front, forget about these ones. Forget about this one. Forget about this one. Stage number 5. When you are inside, half observation to the right, full observation, a handbrake down when your car is balanced. Then before you turn now here, before you turn to go back where we started, that is number 1, but we call it stage number 6 because we are coming from there. To go to stage number 6 now, to the starting point, you need to do blind spot. Let me write with the big blind spot to the right, blind spot to the right. You understand? And then you are able to what? To turn. Blind spot to the right, and then you turn. You go back there. I'm sure, guys, you're going to help with this video. I want to say thank you to Eastern Cape for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you understand. So before I go, make sure that your shoulder is in line with gear number 2 and 4 in order for you to get inside the post. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you're going to enjoy this video. See you on the practical lessons with this early docking. If you don't understand, ask questions, leave a comment in the comment section. We will get help. Thank you so much.